America's industrial map is changing. In places where factories once shut down, new manufacturing facilities are rising. At the center of this shift are semiconductor plants, electric vehicle battery factories, and advanced industrial production hubs. But here's something interesting. Many of these new factories are being built by Korean companies. How did Korean companies come to take center stage in America's industrial map? This change is not just a perception, the numbers prove it. As of 2023, Korean companies recorded about $21.5 billion in new manufacturing investments in the United States, ranking first among major investing countries. This surpasses traditional investment powers, such as Japan, Germany, and Taiwan. In recent years, Korean companies have also accounted for the largest share of new jobs created by foreign firms in the US. This is not just an increase in investment, but a sign that the role of Korean companies within the US industrial structure is changing. Korean companies do not invest by simply building factories. When one factory is built, suppliers and entire supply chains move in tandem. Hyundai's plant in Georgia is expected to create over 8,000 direct jobs, and Samsung's semiconductor facility in Texas is generating thousands of jobs as well. Including suppliers, the overall impact is even greater. These industrial networks begin to transform entire regional economies. That is why Korean investment is seen not just as factory construction, but as building entire industrial ecosystems. This shift is even more visible in the electric vehicle and battery industries. Over 70% of large-scale battery production projects in the US are being developed in partnership with Korean battery companies. This goes beyond market share. It means that a key pillar of America's advanced supply chain is being built around Korean companies. So why are Korean companies at the center of this transformation? The answer lies in how Korea's industries developed. With limited natural resources, Korea built manufacturing and supply chains as the core of its national competitiveness. In that process, it developed the ability to manage large-scale production and complex global supply chains simultaneously. These are exactly the capabilities the United States needs today. Not just companies that make products, but partners that can build industries together. Korean companies were already prepared to take on that role. America's industrial map is being redrawn. New factories are rising, and new industrial belts are taking shape. And within this transformation, Korean companies are playing a key role, a way of building industries together and cooperation built on trust. That is why the transformation of America's industrial map is happening with Korean companies. Are there any Korean companies or brands in your country or city? If you see one, tell us in the comments and show off your city too. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.